Hello family, this is Monica. Welcome to PananaTV. It's Easter time, guys, meaning we have to make hot cross buns. Yes, hot cross buns. This is how I made mine and they tasted delicious. These are all the dry ingredients that we need and all the wet ingredients that we're going to need for this recipe. Let's cook. Okay, now that we are done with our dry ingredients, we are going to mix in our wet ingredients. Going to start with warm milk, 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, butter, and then orange zest. This is a workout, guys, but we just have to do it until our dough is nice and smooth, and also when it is no longer sticky. So let's do it. My dough is now ready. It looks so smooth and not sticky. Now I'm going to place it in a bowl and leave it to rise for about 90 minutes to 2 hours. This all depends in the weather. If it's hot, it's gonna rise a lot faster, but if it's a bit cold like it is today, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but let's say about 2 hours or so. Okay, mix in your raisins with your dough. Don't overmix, just mix and then create about 12 round shapes. this is how you create your round shapes. If you have time, try to make all of them even sizes. I was pushed for time due to load shedding in my area, so mine were not so even, but try to make them evenly shaped, 12 of them preferably. Okay, grease your plastic wrap so that when your dough rises for the second time, it doesn't stick to the plastic. Allow them to proof for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. In the meantime, let's make our sauce that we're gonna do the crosses with. So I mixed in 1 cup of flour and some water. So make sure that your mixture is not too runny. Mine was slightly runny, so try make sure that if it's a bit runny, add a bit of flour just to thicken it a little bit so that you can have like a perfect mixture consistency. So remember the tip, guys. If you see that your mixture is a bit runny, add a bit of flour so that it is more thicker. The consistency has to be slightly thicker so that it is not so runny. So we're gonna go in and do more lines to make a cross. They smell so lovely. I can't wait to dig in. Our hot cross buns are going into 190 degrees oven for 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's make a sauce that's gonna make them nice and glossy. I'm going to mix in 1 tablespoon of apricot jam and 1 tablespoon of warm water. Just mix everything until it's nice and runny. After 20 minutes, we are done. We are done, guys. So let's make them nice and glossy with our apricot jam. So brush all of them on top. It smells like Easter in my home. I am so excited. Oh my god, it smells so lovely. I can smell the raisins, the cinnamon, the allspice. Oh my god, so lovely. You can serve this with butter, you can have it with pickled fish. I had it with both and I thoroughly enjoyed both ways. So let me know what you're gonna have them with. Let me know if you're gonna try them. They were really not that hard to make. So yeah, enjoy, guys.